Hey everyone, this is Singh from Gossipfunda, and today we are going to talk about Vudu on FireStick. What is Vudu? Fandango Media owns Vudu. The organization offers value-based video on request rentals and advanced acquisition of movies. Just as in cooperation with unauthorized storage administrations for spilling digital duplicates of movies, Waters home video at retail. As of June 2019, Vudu contains more than 24,000 titles and more than 8,000 TV shows. Titles run from significant movies, autonomous movies, narrative kids modifying anime, musicals, recorded melodic exhibitions, kids shows, and TV arrangements. Vudu has developed content copy contracts with most of the film studios. Movies are accessible to lease in standard definition, top-notch, and 4K ultra-top quality arrangements with Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision, and HDR10 accessible on bolstered gadgets and substance. Features of Vudu. Listing. Organize your shows according to class, characters, period, or any way you need with Vudu's summary decision. It can help create interest when you share accounts. Family features. It offers family accommodating highlights with apparatuses to skip scenes with content not fitting for kids, appraisals in light of children, and a children's store loaded with age-suitable substance. Its site offers reasonable guidelines on the most proficient method to get to these highlights. Digital. Sweep your Bluebeam or DVD standardized identification and convert it into an advanced film. This element costs $2 each time you use it and offers you the chance to get motion pictures your own on your PC or cell phone. Watch without using data or internet affiliation. Movies anywhere. Vudu associate with cloud-based advanced storage to keep every one of your films in a single spot. Pros. It allows you to pay only for the show you want to watch. Vudu offers a lot of new movies and TV series. Cons. This streaming service is not available for mobile devices as it has dynamic pricing, or you can say price per show. It may be expensive for many users. How to install Vudu on FireStick? We are going to see how we can install Vudu on FireStick. As we know, Vudu is currently not supported on FireStick by default. We have to sideload the Vudu application on the FireStick. We will see some of the methods to do it. With that, let's just start. Before we start with the installation process, we have to turn on the unknown sources on the FireStick. Follow the steps below to do it. Go to Settings, head to Device. Some versions of FireStick may also have My FireStick tab on it. Now you have to head to the developer options of the device, click and turn on apps from unknown sources. You will see a confirmation message on the screen asking for permission to change the data. Tap yes to confirm. Now once you did that, your first stage to install the application is done. There are two methods by which we can install Vudu on FireStick. Method 1. By using the downloader app. For this process, you will need the downloader app on your FireStick. You can download the software from the application store. It is free to download. Download and install the downloader application on your FireStick. To splash the downloader application in the search box, enter the given URL. Click on the Go button. Hold up till the download gets finished. Once the download gets completed, the installation page will automatically pop up. Snap on the introduce catch and hold up till the installation gets finished. Once the application gets introduced, you will get the notification message on screen. You can now launch Vudu on your device. If you want to know more about Vudu on FireStick, please check out our Gossipfunda blog, link in the description. If you have any query, feel free to ask in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe and share.